Hello everyone, it's your boy Sammy also back here on this. So right here, on this place, the name of this platform is called Stream. You get, it's a mining platform. So what you're gonna basically do is just mine daily and claim your rewards. So when you get to the minimum withdrawal, you withdraw your money. So that's it, guys. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sammy Hustle. Right here on this channel, what I share is educational videos on how to make money, anything that brings you guys money. I love you guys so much. So anything that brings you guys money, that's what I bring right here on this channel. So right here, let's just dive into this video right there. So I don't need to waste much time about this. So right here, currently right now I'm still this is a new platform. You get, it's a new platform where you mine and you get paid. So right here, so what you're gonna basically do is to come right here, as you can see right here, where you are seeing this countdown. This is where you're gonna mine. You're gonna click start mining once you've claimed your rewards. So it's very pretty easy. So as you can see, I have 0.01 dodge. So right here, these are the tasks you're gonna complete to, make a whole lot of money from this platform. It's a new platform, guys. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna be following the channel, you're gonna be following their X handle, and you're gonna be claiming a daily reward right here as you check in. When you check in, you're gonna claim a daily rewards, and right here, as you can see, this is the customer support area where you're gonna speak with them one-on-one when you have a particular issue, or you are just confused about a specific thing. So you just come right there, click on it, and you're gonna get your questions answered and rectified. So right here, and these are also the tasks. As you can see, these are brand new accounts. So these are the tasks you're gonna complete. So as you can see, it says invite 3 valid users, and you're gonna get plus 30 dodge. So invite 10 valid users and you're gonna get 70 dodge. Invite 30 valid users, you're gonna get 200 dodge. Invite 80 valid users, you're gonna get 800 dodge, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, guys, this is very sweet. It's a very sweet platform, and it was just launched a few days ago. So right now, and so let me show you right here. As you can see, these buttons right here, these are words. Here is the leaderboard. Here you get to see who is ahead of each other. You get to see who is the boss, who is really earning high, who is really taking this serious. So right there, take note, I'm gonna drop the link down in the description of this video or in the pinned comments. So please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please just subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification on, and drop your thoughts on the comment. So that's it. And trust me, you're not depositing any money right there. You're not depositing any money. Please, and take note, do not deposit any money right here on this platform. um so as you can see, here is the upgrade section. You can choose to upgrade with USDT, or you can use your dodge balance to upgrade your mining speed. So as you can see, this one is it says accelerator 1. Daily output is 20 dodge, valid days is 90 days, price is 15 USDT. So as you can see what I'm saying, you just choose on what you want to do. So this one is accelerator 2, and the daily output is 220 dodge, and the valid days is 90 days, similar to the first one, to the 15 USDT. um 90 days also, and the price of this accelerator 2 is 80 USDT. I know most of us, they're gonna say no, this is a bit it's a bit fishy. No, I don't have that kind of money. Like I said at the beginning, do not deposit any money. Do not deposit any money right here. You are coming to mine for free, so we are not depositing any money right there. So, but if you feel like you want to upgrade your mining speed or whatever, you just come right there and click on the buy it now. Once you've deposited um USDT into your account right here, you're good to go. Or you can go with upgrading your mining speed using the mining boat right there. As you can see, this one is a VIP 1. This one is the one I'm currently right here on. This is the only upgrade right here on this um VIP 1. Mining speed is 0.08 slash an hour per hour, sorry. And right here, as you can see, it says working hours 24 hours, price 1. So that's it. Every day you're gonna be getting 0.0 Dodge per hour. So that's it, guys. And right here you can see the team section where you get to invite your friends. You just come here, click on copy your link. As you can see, you copy your link. As you can see, share your link and start making money right here. You make a whole lot of money. So that's it. You can share to your Twitter handle, you can share to Facebook, Telegram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and many more. So as you can see, guys, this is very, very should we say legit, or we are still testing right here. So so that's it for it right here. So you just come here, invite your friends, you copy as you see, it says copy success. So you just do that. It's very, very pretty easy. So you come to the me section. So here you see your balance. You get to invite. You see your log. If you want to change your login password, security password, frequently asked question right here, white paper to read more and know more on how this platform works. This is where you're gonna click and check it out. About us, check out what they do, how here you check about the project, and here you read about them, get to know how they work, you get. And here is the customer service unit. So this is it, right, guys? So right here you can see at this place, Dutch slash USDT. You're gonna This is where you're gonna exchange your Dodge to USDT and place your withdrawal. So let's just click on it so that we can see. So right here, sorry, my network is a bit stuffy. Okay, right. So right now, as you can see, let's just check how much this Dodge is worth. I have 7.63 Dodge right here, and it says one Dodge is equivalent to 0.09 USDT. Well, that's pretty nice, but let's just check it out. As you can see, it says 7.63 Dodge is worth 0.71 cent. It's not it's That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice because this is the second day of me trying out this platform right there, as you can see. But I've gotten 0.71 cents. So this is pretty good. And take note, do not deposit. Warning. And this is also a disclaimer: if you deposit right here on this platform and you lose your money, I am not to be blamed. You take responsibility of your actions. This is an educational video where I share insight on how to earn more money. So please do not deposit on this platform. Anyone that I see and I say, okay, you can deposit, make sure you're depositing a money that you can afford to lose. You get. In the internet space, you need to be very, very careful. So that's it. So okay, all right, let's assume that I have let's say 100 Dutch As you can see, 100 Dodge is equivalent to $9, 9 USDT. So okay, let's say 200 Dodge, that's 18 USDT. That's cool. Then if you have a minimum of 800 Dodge, that's 75 USDT, guys. This is cool. How cool is this? So just invite your friends and family and let's milk the hell out of this platform. So I'm gonna be dropping the link in the description. And thank you for um watching this video, and also drop your comments in the comment section and let me know what you think about this platform. And remember also, my name is Sammy Hustle. Right here on this channel, I bring you business updates and legit ways to make money on the internet space. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to this video and like this video so that much people on the YouTube space can see this video and get to make money with us right there. So thank you so much. See you in my next video. Peace.